What up, my boys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, we're going to be tackling the madness of the mustache. Now, I wanted to bring up the topic of the mustache, and I want to throw out a statistic here, but it's like 90% of gentlemen out there cut off, trim off, or shave off the mustache within the first few weeks of growth. And I want to talk about the hurdles, the struggles that come with the growth of the mustache. Now, I believe 90% of the reason why gentlemen cannot grow out their mustache is because of that weird looking phase that we go through within that first, I think, 3 weeks of growth. That's even pertaining to the beard as well. But for some reason, the mustache just goes above and beyond just that weird, awkward look. And it's tough to push through those few weeks because of the strange way the hairs are growing. There's really no conformity to it. And of course, we're getting that social anxiety from people looking at us, showing off a really grunge look. And that's a tough thing to wrap your head around. Growing out the mustache, not really going the way you want to, it obviously seems like, right, I just need to cut it off, it's done, it's not gonna grow the way I want. And that's a big struggle of growing out that mustache. And it's really discouraging when you go to a certain point of growth and it's not looking the way you want. So by all means, what we do, we trim it off. So those are some things that we need to look out for that first few weeks. And to follow up with that is gonna be look. As you guys can see right now, I haven't done anything to the mustache, and without any like product or tools or structure to the mustache, we can really have this grunge looky, homeless hobo-y look. And that's a struggle that every beardsman mustache grower goes through. And if we don't have those things to help us out, we really can have a struggle. We can really have a mess on our hands. And it really can make a look go from this or to this. And this is just a little bit of time, product, and tools. But for some guys, doing that just seems way out of their boundaries. And I understand that, this takes about 3 to 5 minutes putting in a little product. But for me, it doesn't add any more time to my routine because, I'm dealing with the beard and the hair anyway. It's just a little bit extra. But for a lot of guys, I can understand that just that much time, effort, maybe not having a really solid mustache, that's a big hindrance, on their confidence and, what they're trying to go for. That's another thing that I hate is after we style out, grow out, and work with our mustache, now we've got to worry about food intake, your significant other, your wife, all of that, comes into play when growing out your mustache. And that's a madness on its own, for oneself to have to deal with, kissing your wife, having to worry about the ribs, the steak, the soda, the water, whatever you're putting into your mouth, you now have to worry about because of the mustache. And this can also cause a hindrance in smell, in look, and style, and this is something that we have to think about and the madness of growing out the mustache. And with that being said, I've said it once and I'll say it again. Every other week, I want to shave off my mustache for all of those reasons. It's tough to keep up a mustache, an epic one that it is, and I think we can finish it off with is that for people that can't grow out that mustache, that's a struggle on its own, that we have people or predecessors or peers of ourselves that can grow a great looking mustache, but for some guys it just can't. Genetically, physically, whatever it is, that can't grow out that great big mustache, that's a struggle and that's a burden on its own. And it's almost maddening to not be able to grow out a mustache and to have that time, tenacity, and push to get that goal that we want. And mentioning all those things, it's tough, it's maddening, it's a madness to grow out the mustache. But I bring these things up because if we can alleviate or if we can kind of subside with those ailments that come along with the mustache growth, we really can have and achieve, mustache glory. That's what we want. And, through time, through practice, through shape, style, using the proper products, you can actually have a great look to what you want to achieve. So not to be a Debbie Downer, but there are struggles when growing out not only the beard, but the mustache. And I would say the mustache is definitely a advanced game when it comes to facial growth. So don't get mad, be glad that you're able to grow out something as epic as a mustache and beard. And if you guys are looking for something to put into that mustache, definitely go down into the link in the description below. I've got some nice products from Artius. Use that promo code Scott. That way you can save yourself some money. Try out some things that you might have not tried before, all right? So like always, you guys, like and subscribe. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya!